Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how we can create multiple fields in a Salesforce new object. So in this we are going to create an object along with multiple fields, and those fields will also contain record in them. So this is useful for the scenario when you are creating a new custom object. So with this you don't need to navigate on the multiple pages in the object manager to create a field. So let's see how we can create multiple fields in Salesforce new custom object. So as of now, I have logged into my Salesforce developer account, and to create fields, we have to navigate to the object manager. So in object manager, you will see multiple custom and standard object. So if you want to create a field for a existing standard or a custom object, you have to go to the object, and then in the object manager, you have to go on the fields and relationships tab, and here you will see all the custom and standard fields that are there in this specific object. So to create a new field, you have to simply click on, so to create a new object, so to create a new field in this object, you have to click on the new button. So in this, I will first show you the manual way of creating the fields. Then we will see the quick way through which we can create multiple fields. So this is for the existing objects. So here, for example, we want to create a field, a text field. So for that, select the data type and click next, and here we have to enter the field label. So it is a text field, so we need to define the length, and here you can select to make this field require, or you want to make this field unique. So for that you can select these check boxes, and after this you have to click on the next button. So in this step we have to select the profiles that can access or edit this field, and so for that you can select the check boxes over here and then click next, and at last you have to select the page layout for the field and click save button. So this is the manual way, but in this, so this was the manual way to create a field. But when you have to create multiple fields, then you have to repeat these four steps again and again to create those multiple fields. So when you go to the object manager, you will you will see this create button. So as you click on it, it will show a drop down. There you will see two objects, that is custom object and custom object from spreadsheet. So using this, we are going to create a custom object along with the custom fields and records. So for this, first we need to create a CSV file. And before creating the CSV file, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course, you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content, including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course. So here we are going to create the CSV file through which we are going to insert the custom object with the custom fields. So here in the CSV file, we have to define the header columns, and these header columns are going to be the field names. So for example, I am going to define a header column that is student name. So this student name will be a field in that custom object that we are going to create using this CSV file. And then other is class, and then we will take a email field, and then phone, and at last I will take one long text area field, that is address. So these are the fields that we are going to insert in the custom object. And here in this method, there is one thing that we cannot do, that is creating relationships between the objects. So for example, in the manual way, we can create a master detail relationship or a lookup relationship, that we cannot do here. So now I'm going to populate the field names. This will be going to be the records. So for example, here I'm entering the student name, that is. So after populating all the field values, we will save this CSV file in the location from where it can be accessed to the Salesforce. So here we can save this file in the CSV and XLSX format. So here I have labeled this CSV file as create new custom object and then save it. And now we will navigate to the Object Manager tab. So here in the Object Manager tab, we will click on the Create button and here select Custom Object from Spreadsheet. And now it will ask again for the login. So after logging in with your Salesforce credentials, here you will see three options that either you can upload a CSV, a Google Sheet, or from the Office 365 file. So here we are going to upload the CSV file that we have created right now. So as you can see, the file is getting uploaded, and after uploading the file, it will auto map the header columns of the CSV file to the object field names. So here you can see the header columns that you have added are displayed as a field name, and then it will also auto define the field type. So here we have a student name, that is text, class, that is integer. So it is taking these data types based on the values that we have given in the fields. And here there is a phone field. So for this also we will change it to phone, and the last is text area, and this one is email. And after mapping the fields, ensure that you have selected the checkbox in add to layouts column to make these fields visible in the layouts. And here you will also see the import of the data. So here you have to select yes, import data, and so that it will also import the records that we are going to create along with the object and the custom fields. And after this, you have to click on the next button. So by default, it will take the name of the CSV file that we have created. So here we can change the object label. I'm going to name it as student object. And after this, go to the advanced settings and make sure that you have selected the checkbox to make this new custom object available for the search, reports, and activities. And at last, click on the finish button. So here you can see the object is getting created. So here we can see the object student object is created, and it is having the 5 fields that we have defined in the CSV file. So here I will navigate to the object manager and again search the custom object that we have created. So it was student object. So here the name of the object is misspelled. So I will copy it from here and go to the object manager and here paste the name. So here you can see this is the custom object that we have created. And here in this object, when I go to fields and relationships, it will show all the custom fields that we have created using the CSV file. Here you can see the custom address, class, email, phone, and student name. So this is how we can create multiple fields in Salesforce objects. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share, and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.